Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and we're consolidating. You got the 9-day, the 20-day. We've been talking about it for a few of these webcasts now. Print your all-time high, attempted upper band ride, didn't get it done. Bears had a few good days. They knock it down to the 50, third standard deviation lower band. They try to take it over. They bounce them back up into the 9-day and the 20-day, and between the end of the day on Friday, Monday, Tuesday, we just kind of we're just kind of sitting here. Hourly chart, you can really see it there. You can really see the consolidation. So consolidation breeds expansion, and the range yesterday and the movement yesterday was wide enough to get some work done. We spent the day, we were long 52, we did a short against 59, long 55, a couple other things in between. It was a nice way to start the week, about 20, 25, 26 handles. But nothing exciting. No big runners, nothing big. We like to get 6 on our first thirds and 10 to 12 on our middles, and we were able to accomplish that. But then the runners, you kind of let them work, and they end up coming in. So our runners yesterday were 7, 3.5, and 6. So that tells you, you're consolidating in a wide range, which is fine for trading. You can get your day made, you can get your thing, you can, we can meet all of our goals in the room, but you're not getting, who's going to win the next leg. We're not there yet. So, weekly pivot, 41.47. They haven't been down to see it in Globex. They spent the majority of the regular session yesterday trying to convert it to resistance, and they were unsuccessful, they being the Bears. Back up to test the 20, which is your green line. They've been able to climb up over the green line overnight. They're back testing it right now. That's at 41.64. The hourly mid-band is coming in there as well, 41.63 half. Volume weighted average price and the proprietary moving average today sitting at 41.70 right now. That pre-FOMC price, the price immediately preceding the last Fed announcement at 41.77, continues to be important. It was important on Friday. It's important in the overnight. It marks basically your Globex high. So the wider range continues to be 41.77 to 41.47. Pre-FOMC price to weekly pivot, win that range, and you win the next leg. And with this consolidation inside of this range, 77, 47, 77, you can really see it underscores that is where, that's the chunk of price where the next leg is going to be decided. Bulls win that leg, you get new all-time highs. Bears get it, I think we come back and test this 40-29 area. And I would expect that 30 handle range to get tighter, to centralize around 55 to 65 before it decides what it wants to do. So it may get tighter before it opens up. We'll see. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Come check out the room, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.